So the story started with this. I find out this thing's broken, so I'm trying to find a way to fix this. It's made of plastic and supposed to stabilize this whole chair that I got over here, which is like completely unusable. You see, this is not a problem because I have this printer right here, and I can just make a model in Fusion 360 and print it out. So now I just finally finished my model. I have a bunch of problems going on, but still it works now. So let's now slice the file and send it to the printer. So now it's finished. Just crack it off. Yay. And the supports, it came right off. Now let's get this thing off. Yay. Yeah. Anyways, I don't think this worked. Ow, it cracked. Look at this. Oh no. I couldn't get it out now. Just put it out. This is really hard to remove. So I probably need to print those pieces again. This time I don't want to try as hard. I'll just fit it in, and if it works, it works. I don't want to try that hard to break it. Oh, I hope it worked. So now the thing is working perfectly fine. You couldn't pull it open anymore. I mean, it's just stuff. I have even stronger filaments such as the carbon fiber ones, but you know, for this thing, 3D printing is tough enough. So little summary for today. First, 3D printing is useful. It could print stuff that's have a function. It can really fix things. And secondly, it's useful. It's beyond having uses. The thing I fixed this was like, if I'm not cracking this thing too hard, I will probably use like half an hour. But those added together, I use like 1 hour and everything's fixed. So it's pretty good to have a 3D printer and solve your problems.